Hello everyone! Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood dito sa Pilipinas. And good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone joining us from different parts of the world. Welcome to our very first Habandance Live. My name is Dominic Haban. And first of all, thank you for spending your time with me today. Whether you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, I'm truly grateful you're here. Tonight is something special because this is our very first live session as a community. And to everyone who's already subscribed, followed, liked, or shared our content, thank you so much. And if this is your first time discovering Habandance, welcome. I hope this won't be your last conversation with us. Before we begin, I just want to set one expectation. I actually prepared some notes tonight. But more than giving a presentation, I'd rather have a conversation with you. In Filipino, sabi nga ni Tito Boy, tara, usap tayo. So, if you have questions, if something reminds you of your own experience as we go along, or if there's a lesson you'd like to add, please share it in the comments. I'll be checking them throughout our session. Because Habandance isn't about me teaching everyone else. It's about ordinary people learning, growing, and rebuilding together. I don't claim to know everything. I am still rebuilding. I am still learning. And I believe we all have something valuable to share. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation because your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. Baka yung kwento mo yung hinihintay ng isang tao na nanonood sa atin o nakakarinig sa atin na makapagpapabago sa buhay nila. So please, huwag tayong magdamot na mag-share. And one more thing before we continue, this community is built on 3 simple values. Number 1, we don't judge. Bawal ang judgmental. We all have different financial stories, different mistakes, different starting points. But here, everyone deserves respect. Number 2, we don't chase abundance. We build it. One habit, one decision, one day at a time. And finally, no one rebuilds alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa pagbangon mo. Whatever season you're in today, whether you're just starting, recovering, or rebuilding, I hope you find encouragement here. Because that's exactly why Habandance exists. So, before we even move forward our conversation, grab yourself a coffee, relax, have an open mind, and let's spend the next hour investing in something that's more valuable than money. Ano pa nga bang mas mahalaga bukod sa pera? That is ourselves. Tayo naman. Right? So, let's begin.